Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos shrimp updated. Trim and pat dry your shrimp, then toss with lime, chili powder, garlic, and oil for a quick marinade. Heat a skillet until very hot, then sear shrimp 1 to 2 minutes per side until opaque and slightly charred. Warm tortillas briefly, layer with slaw, crema, and herbs, then serve with lime wedges and hot sauce for bright contrast. Heat a heavy skillet over medium-high heat and add a small amount of oil to shimmer. Add shrimp in a single layer, do not overcrowd, and let them sear undisturbed for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until opaque and curled slightly. Remove promptly to prevent overcooking, and finish with a squeeze of lime and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Keep tortillas warm while assembling so tacos stay tender and flavorful. If this video helps you, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music, timers, and hands-free recipe help while you cook. I find it saves time and keeps my counters tidy when I'm juggling tacos and toppings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors starting with a warm tortilla, then a small bed of cabbage slaw for crunch. Top with seared shrimp, a drizzle of lime crema, and fresh cilantro for herbaceous lift. Add pickled onions or sliced avocado for acidity or creaminess as desired. Serve immediately with lime wedges and hot sauce on the side so guests can customize heat. Taste one taco and adjust seasoning for the next batch to perfect your balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.